Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to extract a color palette from any image in a Canva. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment to hit the small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to create content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. So I already added a new other photo to a new slide, new page. And the thing what we need, we go into the app section and we need a application called Get Palette. I just open it and we need to select an image like this. And we just click on this Get Color Palette. We can choose, we just add the main color, or we add the color palette, which has most of the colors. Of course, from this colorful image, the system cannot choose all the colors, so we can extract only the 6 main colors. But the good thing is here we also have the hexacode already, so we can add to design. As you can see, we added these 6 colors from the design, same as here. And here in the application we can have the hexacodes. And of course we can click on this color here immediately. So if we would like to color something, we can use it already. But here we have these main colors. So of course this is a really extreme situation with this really colorful image. Mostly used for if we like if we find somewhere an image with a color what we would like to use. Of course, we can still use the color picker, but if we have a bit more colorful, we would like to use more colors. It's better to use this Get Palette app, and we already have the main colors. We can have this also the hexacode, so that's a really nice tool to have this color palette with hexacodes. But now this tutorial will go into the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit the small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave comment in the comment section, first of all to feed the algorithm and let me reach more and more people in the YouTube. Plus also, if you have any question regarding Canva or struggling anything in the Canva, please let me know in the comment section and try to answer as soon as possible. Please also check the description where you can find the links for my TikTok, Instagram and Facebook pages, where you can find lots of another great tutorials, not only from me, also from another great Canva experts, listed in a Facebook page. And of course, in the Instagram and TikTok pages, you can find a bunch of short tutorials about Canva. As I already mentioned, you can find the links in the description. But now this tutorial really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.